Hello and welcome to Online Qs, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can log out of Messenger on your Android phone. Now technically this is not possible as the logout feature is not currently available on Messenger just yet. But there's a roundabout way of doing that, that is using your application manager on your Android phone. So end your Messenger app and then go into settings of your phone. Now mine has CM launcher, so it looks a bit different. So when this appears, click on system settings, and when settings appear, find application and then go into application manager, and then search for Messenger on that list. And when you search for Messenger, this might appear application info. The thing you would have to do is clear data. This will clear every little data that you have on Messenger, so you can look back on Messenger now to see whether it has worked. It's gonna take some time to load because you can see that it's been logged out. All the information on Messenger has been logged out. Now doing so, you can also do this for other apps that has been logged in if there is no logged out feature on that application as well. So if you want to start using Messenger again, you can continue as SilverQs, or if it's not you that's going to be using it, you can click on this isn't me, and then switch to another account. You can type in the phone number or email address of your Facebook account and then type in your password and click on login, or you can create a new account from the Messenger app itself. So this is how you can kind of log out of Messenger on your Android phone. Basically the logout feature is not available in Messenger, so you would have to erase your data from your phone of all your messengers, data that's currently being saved on your Android phone. Now doing so will not delete all your messages and all that. For that, in order to delete conversations and messages, you would have to do that manually from the Messenger itself. It's just clearing all the cache that you have stored, temporary files, sort of like that, on your PC kind of thing. It'll be deleting that. It won't be erasing messages and all that, so you won't have to worry about that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.